Curling doesn't normally scream drama, but in 2018, it definitely brought the heat. Russian curler Alexander Krushelnitsky and his wife Anastasia won bronze in the mixed doubles. But soon afterwards, Alexander tested positive for meldonium, a banned substance. Now, here's the kicker. Meldonium isn't exactly a performance-enhancing drug for curling. And so people started to joke, what advantage does it give? Better sweeping skills? Whatever it did, the controversy led to Russia losing their medal. And it certainly added to another chapter to this ongoing scrutiny of Russian athletes at the Olympics. It's a reminder that even the calmest of sports can stir up major drama. What's your favorite unexpected Olympic controversy? Drop it below. And yeah, let's keep sweeping up the stories, will you? And while at it, keep on pushing.